Pizza, it's an absolute fan favorite. This is my ducking good pizza. We're gonna make our own pizza dough. We don't have to prove it. We don't have to rest it. This is a roll out and top and bake straight away. Into our bowl, we've got self-raising flour, then half a cup of Greek yogurt, a little drizzle of olive oil, and a pinch of salt. Homemade pizza dough in just minutes. Okay, I've been kneading our dough for a few minutes. Get the rolling pin and roll it out till it's nice and thin. Now the fun part, the toppings for our ducking good pizza. In this bowl, I've got 2 cloves of garlic. I'm going to add some duck fat. Then we've got some spuds. Then we're gonna add some herbs onto the top of the potatoes. Now for the real star of the show. So we've got these orange duck legs that I'm just going to slice up and they'll go onto our pizza. Now we wanna add some onion jam. This is my own homemade onion jam. Then of course, we're making pizza, so we need some cheese. So I've set my oven to about 250 degrees, as hot as it goes, and it's only gonna take about 8 to 10 minutes. I mean, have a look at that. The onion jam, the orange duck legs that we shredded, the mozzarella. I mean, ducking good, duck yeah. I'm going in.